Since 1999, Priority Communication Systems has been the silent backbone of Canada's most vital communities. Controlling access and visibility is key to building safety. CCTV and access control systems help protect people, property, and assets. Without integration, CCTV and access control systems operate in isolation, limiting effectiveness. Priority Communication Systems designs integrated surveillance and access control solutions that link video with access events. This integration enhances security, supports investigations, and improves response. Closed-circuit television, CCTV, and access control systems are deployed across residential, commercial, healthcare, and industrial sites. Explore closed-circuit television, CCTV, and access control solutions from Priority Communication Systems at PriorityLimited.com.